What if I told you these three businesses are making people $10,000 a month without a fancy degree, no office, and just a laptop? Today I'm going to walk you through three high-income business ideas you can start right now, even if you're starting from scratch. And as Warren Buffett always says, great businesses have good gross margins. 1. Chat Sales Agency, the Chat Sales Agency. This one is blowing up. Imagine helping companies close deals over text, DMs, or WhatsApp. No cold calling, no sleazy sales tactics, just genuine conversations that convert. This works best in high-ticket industries like dispatching services, medical billing, solar installations, and business consulting. You find a business that's generating leads but losing them in the DMs, and offer to handle their chat-based sales. Charge $500 to $1,000 per month, plus commissions. 2. Personal Brand Agency. With creators popping up everywhere, there's a massive gap between talent and systems. You help creators or experts grow their brand across YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, and monetize it with digital products, coaching, sponsorships. Think of yourself as the chief operating officer of their brand. Here's what you can offer: content strategy plus planning, video editing plus repurposing newsletter or funnel setup. Sponsorship outreach: start with just 1 to 2 clients and charge $1,000 a month and scale it with a remote team. 3. AI Automation Agency. Now this one's futuristic, high demand, and honestly, too good to ignore. Instead of just automating tasks with Zapier, think bigger. You help people use AI tools the right way, save money with discounted services, and even build custom AI agents. Here's how it works. You help solopreneurs and small businesses get the right AI tools for their work. Think Notion AI, Jasper, Canva Pro, and ChatGPT, often with lifetime deals or discounted access. Then, you offer services like building AI chatbots for lead generation, support, or booking. Most business owners are overwhelmed with AI. You become their go-to person to simplify, set up, and manage it all. See you in the next one.